How to unblock Facebook Marketplace. Whether it's due to restriction, a temporary glitch, or an accidental setting change, getting back on Marketplace can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to unblock Facebook Marketplace and fix the missing Marketplace issue step by step. First, ensure that Facebook Marketplace is available in your region. Marketplace is only supported in specific countries, so if you're traveling or using a VPN, it might not show up. Check Facebook Help Center for the list of supported regions. Next up, update your Facebook to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or the Play Store and then search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Marketplace is only available to users 18 years or older. Additionally, new accounts or those with limited activity might not have immediate access. Make sure your profile meets these requirements and engage with the app regularly to build your account's trustworthiness. For that, you can head towards the menu page, then click on the settings icon. Click on the section of Account Center. Now click on the option of Personal Details. Click on the option of Birth Date. Now from here you can update your birth date to the 18 years above. Logging out and back in can refresh your account and fix temporary glitches. Go to your account menu, scroll down, tap Logout, then shine back in with your credentials. This might fix your issue. Lastly, what you can do is report a problem. For that, head towards the menu page, click on Help and Support, then click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on the option of Continue to Report. From here, click on the option of Include. Now, select Defeat Your Marketplace from here. And finally, here you have to explain about your issue. Explain in detail that Facebook Marketplace has been blocked and you want to unblock it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you, and with that, your problem will be resolved. And that's how you unblock Facebook Marketplace and fix it when it's missing. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and regain access to Marketplace, allowing you to buy, sell, and explore once again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.